Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests to my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find people near you on Snapchat. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Snapchat. After that we need to go to map. And here we need zoom out, and here you can see many people which use Snapchat. You can click on story of these people, and here you can subscribe to these people. For example, if you live in New York, you can zoom in and click on some people. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.